Ever wondered how to master Power BI and take your data analytics to the next level? Well, you are in the right place. Hi, my name is Siddharth Raut and I am a trainer, I'm a programmer with about 14 years of experience in the field of data analytics, which also includes about 6 years of experience in Power BI. I'm thrilled to announce the launch of my comprehensive Power BI recorded course designed to help you become a Power BI expert. The course is going live by the end of July, which is the next month. In the full course, you'll learn everything from the basics to advanced features of Power BI, including data modeling, visualization, DAX functions, and more. The free chapters cover getting started with installing and setting up of Power BI and introduction to Power BI desktop user interface. Each chapter is designed to give you practical, hands-on experience. Make sure to watch these free chapters, and if you find them valuable, email me on support@tamexcel.com so that you can get an alert immediately when the course goes live. I'm also creating a new Power BI playlist where I'll include these free chapters plus future videos packed with tips and tricks. This playlist will also include videos responding to your questions. Since this course is still in the works, I would love your input. So leave a comment below with questions or topics that you would like me to cover. Your feedback is invaluable as I shape this course. So stay tuned.